Philip Bushay and Dandy Williams were the overall winners of the inaugural Run for Mom 5K held in and around the Tivoli Gardens community on Sunday. Bushay won in 18 minutes and 12 seconds ahead of Andrew Gutsmore, 20 minutes and 12 seconds, and Tristan Riley, 20 minutes and 25 seconds.
Well, it was a good run from the start. There was a lot of U-turns and zigzags, but I managed to navigate the run pretty well. So overall, it was a good race.
Meanwhile, Williams was the first female across the line, clocking 21 minutes and 28 seconds to win ahead of Josanne Harris, 25 minutes and 14 seconds, and Simone Robinson-Gordon, 27 minutes and 55 seconds.
It was an amazing experience. People in the community, they came out, they supported, they shouted for us on the route, and so it made the experience even more fun.
In the other categories, Fabian Maxwell was the male walk winner after getting there ahead of Anil Beckford and Andre Buckley. Sharon Edwards won the female walk ahead of Shanika Christie and Shirlene Melbourne. The Women's Centre of Jamaica is to be the main beneficiary of the 5K event.
And when the doctors had approached us with the idea to do the run and have the Women's Centre be the beneficiaries, there was no way in the world we were going to say no to this initiative, especially because it's on Mother's Day. And everybody should know that the Women's Centre of Jamaica Foundation facilitates teenage mothers.
I'm feeling overjoyed. I'm feeling very happy. It has been a well-executed event, a very well-executed run. The participants are enjoying themselves. It is beyond our expectations, and we're very happy. And I think everyone just seems to be very happy. It's a wonderful day.